differential equation. Phi double dash of x plus 2 phi dash of x minus 2 into integration 0 to x sin of x minus t phi dash of t dt equal to cos x. Phi of 0 equal to phi dash of 0 equal to 0. Now this equation can be solved by the help of Laplace transform. We take the Laplace given equation phi double dash of x plus 2 phi dash of x minus 2 integration 0 to x sin of x minus t phi dash of t dt equal to cos x. This is equation number 1. Let Laplace transform of phi of x equal to capital phi of p. Laplace transform of phi dash of x equal to p into Laplace transform of phi of x, that is capital phi of p, minus phi of 0. Laplace transform of phi double dash of x equal to p square into Laplace transform of f of x minus p into Laplace phi of 0 minus p dash of 0. Here from this p of phi dash of phi of 0 value is 1, 0. So this value equal to p into capital phi of p. This value equal to here phi of 0 and phi dash of 0, phi of 0 and phi dash of 0 values are 0. So we get only p square capital p square capital pi of p. Now applying the taking Laplace transform to the taking Laplace transform to equation 1 and using convolution theorem. Apply the Laplace to the equation 1. Laplace transform phi double dash of x plus Laplace transform of 2 into 2 is taking outside, Laplace transform of phi dash of x minus 2 into taking outside, Laplace transform of integration 0 to x sin x minus t phi dash of t dt equal to Laplace transform of cos x. And using the convolution theorem, this value by convolution theorem, Laplace transform of integration 0 to x f of t g of x minus t dt equal to Laplace transform of f of x and Laplace transform of g of x. This is by convolution theorem. Since convolution theorem, okay. Now the Laplace transform phi double dash of x value is p square capital phi of p plus 2 into Laplace transform phi dash of x value is p capital phi of p minus 2 into this value equal to Laplace transform of sin x into Laplace transform of phi dash of x. Laplace transform this value equal to sin x, Laplace transform of phi dash of x equal to Laplace transform of cos x value is p by p square plus 1. Okay. Now taking p is common, Laplace capital pi of p plus 2p capital pi of p minus 2 sin Laplace transform sin x value is 1 upon p square plus 1 into this value equal to p Laplace transform phi dash of x value is p into capital phi equal to P by p square plus 1. Here taking capital pi is common. Capital Pi taking common. Here p square plus 2p minus 2p by p square plus 1. 2p by minus 2p by p square plus 1 equal to p by p square plus 1. Here capital pi of p equal to p square plus 1 into p square plus 2p minus 2p by p square plus 1 equal to p by p square plus 1. Now from this capital pi of p into p square into p square p power 4 plus p square into 2p 2p cube 1 into p square plus p square 1 into 2p plus 2p minus 2p by p square plus 1 equal to p by p square plus 1. Here p square plus 1 cancel out, 2p cancel out. Capital phi of p equal to p power 4 means taking p outside, p cube plus 2p square taking p square outside, which means p square plus 2p plus 1 equal to p. Okay, now capital phi of p equal to p cancel means 1 upon p into p plus 1 whole square. Now taking the partial fractions of this equation, it can be written as capital phi of p equal to 1 of a upon this value equal to, we consider this value 1 upon p plus 1 whole square equal to a upon p plus b upon p plus 1 plus c upon p plus 1 whole square. Now find out the values of a and b and c values. Now okay, find out the values. From a equal to 1 equal to a into p plus 1 whole square plus b into p plus 1 c plus c into p. Now comparing the constant terms, here only constant term is 1, that is a equal to 1, and comparing the coefficients of p means here 2p, 0 equal to 2p 2a plus b plus c. Here and comparing the coefficients of p square coefficient is 0, here p square means a, in which p square coefficient is a, plus in b, which implies b equal to minus a, this means b equal to minus 1. From this c equal to minus 2a minus b 2a equal to 1 minus of minus plus 1, this value equal to 1. c equal to 1. From this 1 upon p into p plus 1 whole square equal to 1 upon p plus minus 1 upon p plus 1 plus c equal to 1 upon p plus 1 whole square. This is the Laplace partial fractions of 1 upon p into p plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now from this of p equal to capital pi of p equal to 1 upon p minus 1 upon p plus 1 plus 1 upon p plus 1 whole square. Applying the inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we get phi of x. Applying inverse Laplace transform on both sides, inverse Laplace transform of capital phi of p equal to inverse Laplace transform 1 upon p minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon p plus 1 plus inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon p plus 1 whole square. Here this value equal to 1, this value equal to e to the power of minus x plus e to the power of x means x into e to the power of minus x, phi of x value. This is our solution. Hence completed.